You can easily stop anyone from accessing your iPhone's control center while your iPhone is locked. This can be useful security settings, especially if you are worried about someone turning on airplane mode, muting your iPhone, or changing settings without unlocking it. Here is how to disable Control Center on iPhone lock screen. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Now enter your iPhone passcode to continue. Next, scroll down until you see section called Allow Access when locked. This section controls what can be accessed without unlocking your iPhone. Now look for Control Center and simply turn the toggle off. Once disabled, no one will be able to swipe down and access quick settings from the lock screen. Now lock your iPhone and try opening Control Center from the lock screen. You will notice it no longer opens unless the iPhone is unlocked. You may also want to disable Notification Center. This prevents others from viewing notifications on the lock screen. Reply with messages. This stops quick replies without unlocking. And wallet to avoid accidental access to your payment cards. These small changes can make your iPhone more secure if it ever gets lost or stolen. So that is how you can disable Control Center on iPhone lock screen. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.